I want this course to be just like a real class as much as possible. So if you have any questions, or if you can think of any good ideas for videos that I can include in this course, just write them in the discussion section next to this video. I'll read those as soon as I can, and if it's just an easy question, I'll write you an answer. If it's a more difficult question, what I'll do is I'll make a video and explain it and give examples, because that's the same thing that I would do in classes. I think students asking questions is what makes classes great. If you have a class where students don't ask questions, then it's kind of lifeless, no matter what the teacher does. So I depend on my students a lot to ask questions. And so I'm depending on you to ask questions too. I can only help you if you tell me what you need. So the more questions you ask, the better this course will be, and the more I'll be able to improve your English.